4 things parents should never share with their children. Children are a blessing from God, and it is the responsibility of parents to guide them with wisdom and emotional maturity. Kids are sensitive, impressionable, and still developing their understanding of the world. They absorb what they see and hear, and these experiences shape their behavior, confidence, and emotional stability. For this reason, parents must be extremely mindful about what they choose to share with their children. Certain topics, if disclosed carelessly, can leave a lifelong negative impact. Here are 4 things parents should never share with their children. Number 1. Marital conflicts or family disputes. Children observe the home environment deeply, and they see their parents as their main source of safety. When children hear one parent complaining about the other, expressing anger, or discussing disagreements, they immediately feel unsafe. This can lead to anxiety, insecurity, fear of family instability, emotional imbalance. A child may begin to wonder, if my parents aren't happy, what will happen to me? Such conversations steal the peace of a child's mind. Instead of anger and arguments, children need to witness patience, teamwork, and healthy communication at home. Parents may have disagreements. It's normal. But involving children in these matters can harm their sense of security. 2. Financial problems or household stress. A child's early years should be free from worries about the world. Their focus should be on learning, playing, and building their personality, not dealing with adult problems. When parents openly discuss their financial struggles, unpaid bills, debt, or household stress in front of their children, it forces the child to grow up too early. Children exposed to financial stress may become overly worried and fearful, feel responsible for adult problems, stop asking for things they need, become withdrawn, irritable, or stressed. Parents should protect their children from such burdens. Money matters are for adults to handle privately. A child's heart and mind need freedom, not fear. 3. Gossip or negative talk about others. Speaking negatively about relatives, neighbors, teachers, or family friends in front of children affects their mindset. This habit teaches children judgment, disrespect, suspicion, negativity in communication. Children imitate what they hear. If they see parents frequently criticizing others, they start developing the same attitude. This ultimately affects their friendships, social relationships, and even their future professional life. Instead, parents should model respect and empathy. Teach children that every person has both strengths and weaknesses, and speaking ill of others is neither good nor necessary. 4. Personal fears, weaknesses, or failures. Children often see their parents as superheroes. When parents frequently talk about their own fears, helplessness, or failures, it shakes the child's sense of stability. Statements like, "I'm useless," "Nothing works out for me," "I'm scared of everything." These words can deeply unsettle a child. They begin to feel unsafe, unsure, or emotionally burdened, thinking, if my parents aren't strong, who will protect me? Parents are human and have their struggles, but sharing these emotional vulnerabilities with children can damage their confidence. Children need emotionally strong role models, not fear-based stories. Final message. Children are delicate like flowers. When given love, trust, protection, and positivity, they bloom beautifully. Every word from the parent leaves a lasting mark on a child's brain and heart. Therefore, emotional wisdom and mindful communication are essential for healthy parenting. The best parents are those who protect children from unnecessary worries, provide a peaceful environment, teach confidence, ethics, and resilience, model patience, respect, and positivity. Remember, children don't forget what we say. They carry our words into their personality. For more latest updates, visit subscribe channel.